Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Brickmania World War II quarter-ton 4x4 utility truck. This was designed by Cody Ocell. It is kit number 2200 with a skill level 3 out of 5, and it contains 133 Lego and brick arms elements. It's a rather small build, so I probably won't have a speed build for this one. It'll just be a straight up review. So here is the Brickmania World War II quarter ton 4x4 utility truck. Pretty cool looking little Jeep. It does roll pretty good. There you go. There is a collapsible windshield on it that is brick built. So you just pull it forward like that. It does come with one brick arms weapon there. You can see it right behind the driver's seat. There is a spare fuel can on the back and a spare tire also on the back, along with a trailer hitch. I think I like it a little better than the Mutt. It's probably about a 50-50 between this and the BRC-40 Bantic. The only advantage that one had was it came with the minifigure. It's definitely a more stable build as far as it doesn't fall apart real easy. It's not too fragile than the Mutt. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.